In this video, I'm going to show you how your business life will massively change forever by focusing on LinkedIn. First of all, LinkedIn is a platform full of high-level business owners and professionals with money to spend. I hope you heard that just now. How about 700 million plus of them? It's also considered the #1 platform online for lead generations. So right now you probably have a LinkedIn presence, but you're not doing much with it. Don't let that happen for another day. LinkedIn's a goldmine for referrals and sales. You just need to have a strategy and a system and execute on it. So let's talk about the masterclass. In 4 weeks, you will learn not only you'll be an expert on LinkedIn, but you'll also have executed connections and messages to thousands of potential clients. And you'll be able to do this on autopilot in less than 15 minutes a day. We will meet weekly on Zoom meetings. In addition to that, during these 4 weeks, you'll have unlimited access to me by email and text. So let's get into what we're going to cover in the masterclass week by week. So week number 1, we're going to build 2 powerful campaigns for connecting and messaging. We're going to work on creating a powerful profile for you. We're going to also work on creating your message that will convert into sales. And you'll learn how to reach these thousands of potential clients on autopilot. Week number 2, I'll show you how to execute your connection campaign to 500 plus prospects per week. You'll learn how to do this on autopilot in less than 15 minutes a day. As I said before, you'll learn how to get a higher number of accepts to your invite compared to your competition. And we'll create some specific target audiences for you from the LinkedIn industry list that you can use forever. In week number 3, I'll show you how to execute your message campaign to 500 plus prospects per week. You'll learn how to be non-salesy in your messages to get much better responses. You'll learn how to interact with only highly qualified clients. And we'll create a set of different powerful messages to use in different campaigns. And in week number 4, I'll show you how to execute a follow-up system so you can receive a lifetime of sales and referrals. You'll learn the 5 bullet points to cover upfront that will keep the referrals coming. You will learn the simple system that will keep you on top of mind of getting a lifetime of referrals. And you'll be introduced to different joint venture ideas so you can partner with your new connections over and over again. When the 4 weeks is up, you'll still have unlimited access to me by email and text. I'm super confident that you'll be incredibly surprised about the results that you'll get from executing on these strategies. Using a LinkedIn strategy and system like this will produce all sorts of referrals and sales, as many as say 10, 25, even 50 sales per year. And notice I didn't say that just this year, I said every year in the future. I'm talking every year. This strategy and system has been 100% successful with those I've shared it with. So don't hesitate, get on the list for the masterclass. It will be limited only to 10 participants, so you get maximum attention. You're absolutely welcome to reach out to me with any questions you may have about the masterclass or even LinkedIn in general. There should be a bunch of ways above and below this video, and I will talk to you soon, or I'll see you on another video.